All right, lip whip sampler time. We're gonna kick things off with She's Just Jelly. It's a deep royal berry shade, as you can see. I haven't worn this shade in so long. It's been too long because it's absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely one of our top sellers. Throughout this video, I'm gonna show you how I apply, how I let things dry down, you know, how I make the lip whip experience an experience. Oh my gosh, so pretty. All right, next up we have Raspberry Tiramisu. Notice that I have the applicator on the flat side. There's a hole in the center that allows for a continuous glide without that double dip. And then I like to flip the applicator over and use the very tip as a lip liner. This just allows me to get like a really neat application. Such a pretty shade. Watch the dry down. It dries down beautifully. And I'm gonna do a little arm swatch here for you guys. So the lip whips are known globally for going on and staying on, and part of the whole story around that was just, I got tired of having lipstick everywhere back in the day. So I really wanted something that would go on and stay put. Like, it's called lipstick for a reason. I started having fun here. This shade is gorgeous. Raspberry Tiramisu, guys. And then a little comparison between the two. And another arm swatch. Giving y'all the goods. And then there's that smudge-free lip whip action that we're known for. All right, next up is Sangria Splash. Again, keeping it flat for the application. Going in, and I like to just do 2 layers and a touch-up layer. So you might call that 3, but like I said, 2 full layers, and then line and touch up where you need to. Fan it in about 60 to 90 seconds. You get this beautiful finish, that matte dry down. Disregard the shrinkage. We know it can be disrespectful out here.
My lips are feeling numb. Too many
Definitely getting numb at this point. All right, last but certainly not least is top seller, Cranberry Stiletto. She's that girl if you're really looking for some attention. You're gonna get a lot of compliments on this one. You will not be able to keep to yourself. So if you're feeling introverted on any particular day, don't wear Cranberry Stiletto, because you'll get the comments and the questions like, where'd you get it? Pretty much every Ulta I've gone to around the country, I've talked to different managers, and that's the one thing they like to let me know is like, oh my God, this is the shade. Or customers will even tell me, look at that dry down right before our eyes though. It's like magic, man. It's gorgeous. And like I said, if you keep the layers to just 2 with a touch-up, you don't have to worry about like flaking. Stay away from lip liners and chapsticks, because those can break the lip whip down. Oil tends to break it down. So let me know in the comments what you think, which shade you love, which shades we need to carry, and make sure you shop beautybakery.com.